But do you believe now they were wrong? Lahat sila, they recanted.
Kung nag-recant man sila, that's water under the bridge. Dahil at that time talaga, siya ang tinuturo. O anong magawa ngayon ng DOJ kung hindi entertainin yung kaso?
Pero ang tanong ko, dapat ba na-detain yun ng 7 years? Hindi ba pang-aabuso yun ng panahon ni Pangulong Duterte?
Pang-abuso kung walang warrant of arrest. Pero may warrant of arrest eh. Nakakulong siya dahil may warrant of arrest siya. So anong abuso na
Walang abuso yun,
not
not
legal.
convicted.
Everything was perfectly legal. Kahit hindi siya convicted, that is the process of law. That is the due process. Kinulong siya dahil may warrant siya while ongoing ang kaso. So anong pang-abuso na ginawa ng administrasyon doon?
ang tanong ko, 7 years, no conviction?
Regardless, kung pag magsabi ka ng abuso, yung
don't
ginawa is
you don't
beyond the
see
law.
it as a political vindictiveness on the part of the former president?
Bakit naman mag-vindictiveness ang sasabihin mo na kung may ebidensya?
Lumabas, wala
Porke pala.
Nag-recant nga lahat.
Nag-recant nga sila, hayaan mo sila because the circumstances before is different from the circumstances now. Wala na si Duterte. Ginamit sila, yung mga tao na yan. So
You really
Iba.
tanong ko lang, you believe until today, drug protector si Laila de Lima? You believe it?
wala akong sinasabing I believe na drug protector siya.
Okay.
Pero I believe on the veracity of yung mga ginagawa ng DOJ, bakit siya napailan ng kaso?
Alright.
Walang political